a revolutionary chemical-free system that turns ordinary water into a powerful, multi-purpose, all-surface cleaner, sanitizer, and deodorizer.
The best thing about Lotus Pro is there is no wiping down of the surfaces. You can just spray them down and let it air dry.
We use the Lotus Pro everywhere. Cleaning carpets, cleaning bathrooms, classrooms, tables.
I use it at the gym, cafeteria, hallways, restrooms.
Trash cans, tables, whatever needs to be cleaned, it's being used.
Time magazine named the Lotus sanitizing system one of the best inventions of 2006. In April 2007, Donnie Deutsch called it the big idea of the month.
It's 3,000 times faster and 50% stronger than bleach. More powerful than hydrogen peroxide, yet it's safe enough for a baby and 100% chemical free. You get the Donnie Deutsch big idea of the month.
Even the toughest to clean facilities agree that the Lotus sanitizing system is the best.
In this building alone, it took an average of 40 hours a day to clean. Since we went to Lotus, we're down to about 25 hours a day. I'll be saving approximately $30,000 to $40,000 a year just using Lotus.
Could be as high as $165,000 to $170,000 annually for the delivery of those chemicals to our school system. You will reduce that by 80 to 85% with the Lotus Pro system.
Husson University in Bangor, Maine adopted the Lotus sanitizing system after doing its own unsolicited independent testing.
The ozone was at least as effective as the current cleaners that we were using as far as incidental immediate cleaning. One of the nice things that we noticed about using ozone is we didn't have to wait for the chemicals to react with the bacteria that we were finding on the tables. It was an instantaneous cleaning process. It wasn't just bacteriologically affected, it was also virologically affected. It would physically break down the surrounding structure around a virus and actually attack the DNA materials that are inside. We talked to Keith, the head of facilities, and said, it's absolutely the product to use. With all the positives that we see, we think that the upfront cost is going to be well worth the investment, not only for our health and safety, but for the facilities guys, the students, and basically everybody that comes in the buildings.
From our perspective as a school district, it's very important to have kids in school. If they're not in school, they're not learning, education isn't taking place, and that's what we're all about, is educating kids. Also, from a financial point of view, again, we do get money from the state, and it's important for us to keep our attendance numbers up. So whenever we have kids that are not in school, it impacts us it can impact us in a financial manner.
Our job here in the school district is people-oriented. You have teachers, ed techs, building administrators, and we're all here to serve the students. If you can do that, you retain jobs, you do as good a job cleaning, if not better, and you have a healthier environment for everybody. So fiscal health is maintained and improved greatly, and physical health. So that's a win-win situation in my book.
From a budget point of view, with prices rising on most of the materials we use, I'm able to roll out the Lotus program campus-wide for what it cost me for my initial chemical order for the year. And then going forward, it's nothing but savings. In my department, we did have skeptics because we're taught from past experiences you can't remove dirt and disinfect without chemicals, especially the disinfectant part. What we found is I've had custodians with allergies, severe allergies, and this product doesn't affect their allergies.
Yeah, with the harsh chemicals that were previous on market for janitors or custodians to use, I don't think I could have made it much past 60. But now with this water, I believe I can work till 65 because there's no asthma, no fumes, no nothing. It makes it so much easier to deal with.
I don't know if you can smell it or not, but this is the smell that you get is like a fresh rain smell when the machine first turns on. That's how you can tell that it's actually working and ozonating the water.
Well, a lot of people have said that once we clean the restrooms with this, you actually smells like a fresh rainstorm, and there's actually a reason for that. One of the ways that ozone is produced naturally in the world is by lightning striking through the upper atmosphere. And so when it smells like a rainstorm, it's the same process of ozone being made during a lightning storm as the ozone being made in the applicators that are in the janitor's closet. Same process, a little different scale though. There's no lightning going on in the closet, but essentially the same process.